Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to save a big part of your trading fees on OKX through the financesalutes.com Backcom rebate program. By registering this way, you can unlock up to 50% cashback on your total trading fees. It's simple, transparent, and completely safe, helping you trade more efficiently while keeping your funds fully secure. So, why choose OKX cashback through financesalutes.com? Because it's one of the easiest and most reliable ways to reduce your trading costs. The rebate system doesn't affect trade execution, pricing, or security. And the best part is, you'll still receive rebates whether your trade wins or loses. For active or long-term traders, this cashback feature is a real advantage, helping you save more, grow faster, and trade smarter. If you're new and haven't created an OKX account yet, the setup is super easy. First, click the registration link provided by financesalutes.com. This step is crucial because if you sign up directly through OKX, your account may automatically get linked to a random IB that offers no rebate benefits or a lower rate. Registering through financesalutes.com ensures you get the full 50% cashback. Once you're on the OKX homepage, click Register, then sign up using your email address or phone number. You'll notice the financesalutes.com referral code already filled in automatically, so you don't need to type anything. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your registration. From your account dashboard, click Verify Now to complete your KYC by uploading a valid ID document such as your passport or national ID card. Once your account is verified, deposit your funds. And from that point on, your cashback rebates of up to 50% will automatically apply to every trade you make through financesalutes.com. If you already have an active OKX account but aren't receiving any rebates, don't worry. You can still qualify for the maximum cashback by transferring your IB affiliation to financesalutes.com. Currently, the process of switching IBs on OKX for existing accounts can be somewhat complicated and limited. Therefore, the top priority solution is to create a new account under Case 1, which allows you to receive cashback quickly and fully. To support you through this process, you can provide some basic information about your current account to the support team. financesalutes.com will assist you 24/7, guiding you step by step and ensuring a smooth IB transfer, so you can activate your cashback benefits without any obstacles. This approach helps you optimize your trading costs on OKX and ensures that every trade you make takes full advantage of the cashback program in a safe and transparent way. In summary, financesalutes.com gives OKX traders a simple and secure way to earn up to 50% back on trading fees. Whether you're creating a new account or transferring your existing one, the process is quick, safe, and completely transparent. Every trade you make adds real savings to your pocket, helping you trade more efficiently and build long-term profits without any extra effort. If you're ready to trade smarter and keep more of your earnings, click the link below to join OKX through financesalutes.com today. Start trading, enjoy your cashback, and make every move in the market count toward your success.